Today we are going to start our Native American paper pottery artwork. As you can see in this example, I have created two different pots with a variety of shapes and of course a variety of different patterns inspired by the Native American artwork and culture. So today, to start, you're going to need a black piece of paper and a tan piece of paper, pencil, and scissors. To start, I want you to choose one paper to fold the hot dog way. Then you will choose the second paper, whether that was tan or black, and you will fold it the hamburger way. Next, you're going to create and you're going to design your shape. So you can look at this kind of cheat sheet I have printed for you with a variety of different shapes of the pots that they would make. Now on this tall one, I'm going to choose one that is a taller shape. So I think I'm going to choose maybe something like this. I will do my top, near the top, come in, and then I'll have it kind of flat at the bottom. Once you have drawn that out, you're going to keep it folded and you're going to go ahead and you're going to cut it out. So go ahead and do your tall pot. Go. Next, I'm going to take my short one. I'm going to turn it and make sure I have the folded edge here. And I'm going to choose a pot that has a shorter, kind of wider form. Now for this, we cannot go all the way out to the edge or else it will not fit on the piece of paper. So I'm going to go maybe about 3/4 of the way. Give myself kind of a guideline there. Now I'm going to start again kind of near the top. I can do kind of straight and then kind of widened edge. Now again, go in. You can do a variety of different shapes. Again, after you have drawn it, you're going to keep it folded and you're going to cut that edge, that line, so that when you open it, it will make a full pot. Go ahead and do your wider pot. Once you have your two pots cut out, you will notice, of course, when you open them, they are a full pot. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write my name on the same side that I drew on first. You can already see my pencil lines. I'm going to write my name on both. Go. Then I'm going to go ahead and flip them over. Now, you're going to create a variety of different patterns, all based off of the Native American culture. Now you'll notice I have created some repetition. So here I've done some diamonds, and I've repeated those down here. Even though they're a different size, I've repeated those. I've also repeated colors. I have some orange, white, lots of black, and even some browns. For this, you can use the other side of your pot cheat sheet to get some ideas for Native American patterns. Now I'm going to just start drawing lightly with a pencil, as we are going to go over them with black, white, orange, and brown. I want to start by drawing very lightly. So I'm going to look at some patterns. Again, taking my time, drawing lightly. Thinking about repetition. I'm looking at this one here. Now you can take some of these and copy them directly, or you can change them and make them your own. But again, really taking your time. Repeating designs. Trying to keep it symmetrical so that it is the same on both sides. You will do this until you have colored in or drawn in patterns for each of the pots. So you can see I have a variety of patterns, Native American inspired patterns here and here. Again, you will take your time, look at the sheet to create a bunch of different patterns. Go ahead and start drawing your patterns lightly. Once you are done drawing your patterns lightly, you're going to go in with some colored pencils. Native Americans have orange in their artwork, brown, and then the white and even a black kind of charcoal. Now these will smudge a little bit, so it's very important that when we're coloring that we're careful not to get it on our hands. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my tan one. I'm going to start, and you can use all these different colors just as I repeated shapes and patterns. I'm going to repeat color. You do want to press fairly hard for this, but you're going to go ahead and you're going to color all of these. You're going to color them in, you're going to trace them until your artwork is completely colored in, just like mine here. Again, you can see black, white, orange, brown, orange, repetition of colors and patterns. So go ahead and start working on your Native American artwork.